Hello world! Opening your heart and being vulnerable is one of the most terrifying things we will ever do, especially if someone else has hurt us before. The only way to truly heal is to be brave enough to love again. It's the only way to know where we need more love, more understanding, and compassion for ourselves. It's the only way to take back our power, our right to experience real love from the ones who took that from us. When you find a person who can understand your pain and wants to fill the crack in your heart with their love, then opening yourself up to them. Being vulnerable with them can become one of the most terrifying, exhilarating, and empowering things you will ever do. When you really love someone, being faithful is easy. It's not something that you even have to think about. Like remembering where you live, love protects. It's as simple as that. When you love someone, you protect them and the relationship. Walk in integrity and be faithful in the little things. Be open, be honest with your partner. Talk to them. Tell them how you feel. Tell them when you feel disconnected from them and that you would like to feel closer, make time for each other, and look to each other for love, comfort, and support. Be deliberate in how you talk to them and make your intention to build them up in love. You are the caregiver of each other's heart. Never neglect them. When you treat your relationship as sacred, then the temptation to cheat simply will not be there. Nothing feels as good as feeling safe in the arms of love. By Joel Clemons. On story as it captioned, much love to those beautiful souls who carry light so effortlessly. And time's gonna take your love from me. Words make way where lies come through. And I don't care what they will say. I'm taking chances far away. I will take a chance and leave the other side of sea. Is waiting there for me where they don't know me. Music that awakens different parts of my soul every time. Truly a space journey. As her one of her favorite, high above the tallest trees, courage will come your way. It's the need that burns the trust that shines when you climb out of the shade. Your high awakens the things you wanna be, where the air is thin and sweep you off your feet, where the heart is, when the light's at your side, when the faith is ready. No more guidance. Take leap of your life as the ground is shaking. Onama post as she said, "Love, I have come to realize that the love I give myself is the same love that show up in my life. Everything around me reflect it, and everything arrive in its own time. Nothing forced, nothing rushed, just a line. I hope you find a love that doesn't make you question yourself, one that meets you where you are right now, not where they think you should be. As to Ama, allow myself small pleasures. Cherish the moments when I discover something new about myself. I love being myself. No matter the circumstances, silence helps me reach my own truth. I create reality and share happiness with others. I realize how much unconditional love I learn from animals. Always and everywhere I stay open to signs. I have learned that gratitude is not only about what feels good, it's also about what shapes me, stretches me, and bring me back to myself. So today and every day, I choose to see it all as part of something meaningful. I choose to stay open. I choose to trust. I choose gratitude. Grateful for every single day. How about you? Love, Ama. Don't look outside for answers that already live within you. Live with always mirror what you are ready to see. The truth lives inside you and reveals itself through everything you experience. Simone is now in Beverly Hills, a city in Los Angeles County, California, in the US. It is located southwest of the Hollywood Hills, northwest of downtown Los Angeles, and smaller city of West Hollywood to the east. Beverly Hills frequently appear in popular culture as a place of conspicuous wealth of luxury, although the actual demographic of the city are more complex. In American popular culture, Beverly Hills has been known as an affluent suburb within Greater Los Angeles, which correspond to higher property values and taxes in the area.
Simone,
On Michele's story for his upcoming sequel of Housemaid movie, as the plot follows Millie, a young woman who tries to restart life working for a wealthy family but end up trapped in a web of dangerous secret and psychological twists. The overwhelming performance ensured not only record profit but also the official confirmation of the sequel, The Maid 2, which is already in development to continue the thriller journey that conquer audiences in theaters. The thriller, The Housemaid, has just hit an impressive 400 million mark as the global box office with a production budget of just $35 million. The long run has already raised more than 10 times its cost, making it one of the most lucrative titles of the year for Lionsgate. Hey, what's up? What's up, Michele? As for today, music is in the air for them who is with him. Watch this. As music is an art form, organizing sound over time, serving as a cultural universal that foster emotional expression, social bonding, and entertainment. It encompasses elements like melody, harmony, rhythm, texture, and timbre. It serves as a tool for communication and emotional expression, often reducing stress and anxiety while boosting mood. Music is integral to social rituals, festivals, and storytelling across all cultures. It has evolved from prehistory, voice and bone instrument to complex, modern digital production, including genres ranging from classic to electronic and pop. Research indicates that listening to or playing music enhances brain function such as memory and concentration, and can even facilitate physical rehabilitation. Oh, okay. So now let's see how Brando get on fire on his drum and singing. Take a deep breath in, breath out, Mama Ruba, and have some freshness of the beauty of nature. Are you all ready, guys? Yeah, let's sing it. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Ruba. Many more birthdays to come. As many loves you. Really, it is proven on your story. Let's all say this. You know, guys, what is the gift of Michele to Ruba? His declaration of undying love as he shout out to the world, "Happy birthday, beautiful soul, Ruba. I will love you forever." And the best part, as Ruba reply with, "I love you, Michele." What a beautiful, loving, sweet message coming from Ruba family. As it written, "Da parte di Papi Marcus Ebrando, tanti auguri di buon compleanno." You are right, Ruba, as you said. Thank you, loves of my life. I couldn't ask for a better tribe, Michele. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 109 of the 365 days of 2026. A message to all. Truth telling and truth living, on the other hand, is extremely empowering and liberating. It means that you are no longer living in a shadow of fear or giving your power away to others by believing lies about yourself. Living your truth means that you are letting go of desperately needing to manage other people's perception of you by seeking their acceptance and approval. It means that you are taking ownership of your choices in life. Truth loving is the path of integrity. It means having strength of character, honor, and respect. It means never compromising your truth for the watered down lies of weak-minded people or betraying yourself just to escape a moment of discomfort. A truth-loving person will only invest in genuine and authentic connections. A truth-loving will not judge you, but will only seek to understand you and create a safe space for you because they appreciate and much strength and courage it has taken you to live authentically and shape your truth with them. Being honest is not something that you do in the moment when you don't have another choice. It's choosing truth as your way of life. If you can't be honest with yourself, what chance do you have to find and hold on to real love and trust with someone else? What you keep avoiding in your life is what is stealing genuine connection from you. By Joel Clemons.